I'm going to show you how you can export all your Notion workspace as a CSV or a spreadsheet in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So let's get straight to the process. All you need to do is go to settings, and right here you will see general. So if you click right here, you can scroll down and you will see the export option. So right here you can export content. This is to export all the workspace content. So if you want to learn more about this option, you can click right here, and here you will have more detailed information like the workspace settings. You can also go to the frequently asked questions, so you can get more information about this. But the process is very simple. All you need to do is click right here. Now this window will pop up and you can select the export format. So you can choose between HTML, you can get the spreadsheet file, or you can get a PDF if you have an upgraded plan. So in this case, let's say I want this spreadsheet file, then we can include databases if we want to. So we can do the current or the default view. Then you can select the content you want to include in this export. So you can choose everything, or you can exclude the files or images. And you can also select to create folders for subpages, so you can enable or disable this option. And after that, just select to export, and this will start loading. So after some minutes, depending on how big your workspace is, you will get your file ready, and they will send you an email with the download link. So in my case, I have this export ready right here because I did one some minutes ago, and you can just click here to download the export, and this will download an export file like this. This is a compressed folder which you can open and see all the content. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.